Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ash-Vir from Ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video we are going to create some awesome photo manipulation like a very gold and teal color. It would be a very unique photo manipulation. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and press the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will notify whenever I post new videos. And if you haven't logged on to our website, then www.ashvircreations.com, then just check it out, and from there you can download new PNG, color lookup, camera preset, every kind of stuff for free. Let's get to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the image which you want to edit. Now here, if I want to select this image, so I'll use this quick selection tool from here and click on this plus icon. You can change or increase or decrease the size of the brush from here, or you can directly press bracket key from the keyboard and just roll all over the subject to make the selection of that subject. Just like this way you have to select. Even if you want to deselect from here, then just click on this minus icon and decrease the size of the brush, and just like this way you can decrease the selection or subtract the selection from the image. Now right click on it and select the layer via copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to duplicate that perfect particular area which you have selected to a duplication. Here we have done already. Now let's open the background which we want to place behind the subject. So I'll open the background. Let's select this. Now all you're gonna do is just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C or Ctrl V to paste and copy, or else you can directly drag it and drop it over here. That's it. It's very simple, yeah. Now go to the edit, select free transform, or you can directly press Ctrl D from the keyboard to adjust the size of the image. Here let's say this, I want this much image in my final. Just press enter. Now all you're gonna do is just click on this by pressing left click and Ctrl key to select this much area of the background. Press crop tool from here to make that much area cropped. Now you can adjust it if whatever kind of area which you want in your image. Now I want this much area in my final image, so I'll just drag and play with the image. You can press enter, keep it up. Now if I want here also, so I'll just select this rectangle tool, select this portion, go to the edit, select free transform and just stretch it a little bit. That's it. This is how you have to stretch. And now all we're gonna do is just blur the background. So we'll go to the filter and go to the blur gallery and select fill shift from there. Just move your slider beneath as much as you can, because we don't want to blur on the below portion. So I will just want the upper side portion to be blurred. So I will just increase the blurriness from here. You can increase the lightness of the bokeh from here if you want. And just press OK. That's it. Nothing you have to do, just blur the background. And don't blur the portion which is near to the subject. Now we have almost completed our blurring, so we'll make some hairs to the photo. So we'll select the smudge tool from here and just play with the hair. Just stretch it as much as you can, like this way, to make it more smudge and smooth, so that it will look like a real natural one. You can, whenever we want to undo, you can undo it by pressing Ctrl Z. Here there is something remaining, so I will just select it by pressing pen tool, using pen tool. So just select this here, which were remaining, and just press Ctrl Enter to make it selection. Press Ctrl Z to make that duplication of that particular area, and just merge both the layers. Here just create new layer and right click on it and select create a clipping mask. Now select the brush tool and press Alt key to select the nearest area and just black it. Here also don't forget to paint the edges of the image, just like this. You can, if you want to deselect it, then you can use pen tool. Press Ctrl Enter and just delete it from this layer. And again, just make it more sharp. Use pen tool. Press Ctrl Enter and delete it. And that's it. Now just merge both the layers. Now we want to add some brightness to the subject, so all we're gonna do is select the dodge tool from here and just make it more brighter on the face and also on the hand portion. Yes, just like this, to give it more brightness. Don't overexpose it. And select the burn tool to make black on the hairs. Just blur the blackness on the edges, and that's it. Now go to the filters, then open this one more image, that is this plant image. Just drag and drop it. Press Ctrl T. Make it a little bit of blur. Go to the filter, select blur, then Gaussian blur, and just to decrease the blurriness. This would be perfect. Now just place this layer above that layer. Press Ctrl D to transform it, and you can place it over here. just like this way. Yes, it will give a very moody touch to the photograph and a realistic look. Now all you have to do is just we will just paint this wall. So we will create new layer, create a clipping mask from here, select the brush tool and select brown color from here and just paint it. Change the blending mode to multiply or a soft light. Just play with whatever kind of color is more suitable in this wall, you can make it. Let's give this a multiply and press enter. Now all you have to do is just go to the adjustment layer and select color lookup from there and select any of the color lookup which is more suitable in your photograph. You can select it. You can decrease the saturation if you want to decrease it. Now go to the hue and saturation layer and click on this red, change the red to yellow. And decrease the saturation from here. And just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. And let's add some more bokehs to the photograph. So I'll add just this snow image to the photograph. Change the blend mode to screen, press Ctrl D to enlarge the image and just place it over here. If you don't want on the face of the subject, so you can erase it from here by selecting the eraser. Yeah, there is something more important thing that we have missed. That is blurring the edge of the subject. Select the blur tool from here and from the general brush select hard brush from there. Make the strand to 100% and just blur it. Just like this, you have to blur the edge of the subject to make it more look realistic and a natural one. This is how you can blur that, because this will not identify that whether it is an edited or a real captured photograph. Yeah, that's it. Here we have finally completed. Now merge all the layers by pressing Ctrl E and just paste that Ctrl A, Ctrl C and just press it by Ctrl V. Press Ctrl D to transform it. Change the mode to screen. You can erase it by using eraser tool from the face. So finally here we have completed almost. Now just merge all the layers and just press crop tool from here and go to the filter, select camera filter, and we will add some vignette to the photograph. So go to the FX tab and just increase the vignette level. Just like this. You can change the blue color from here if you want to change. You can increase the saturation of the blue. And just press OK. You can adjust this all brightness, contrast, whichever is more suitable in your photography. You can adjust it from here. Increase some more clarity and just press OK. If I don't want here, then just select this. Or right click and select fill and just press Ctrl away, so it will just diminish that area. Now create new layer and just create one lighting effect on the photograph. So we'll just select this yellowish color and just give one big stroke to the photograph. Change the mode to screen. Press Ctrl T. And just place it over here so that it will look like a real sunlight coming from here. Again, create new layer, select brush tool, select the white color, paint one stroke, press Ctrl T and just place it over here. And that's it. Increase the opacity. And finally merge all the layers, crop the image. And finally here we have completed our editing process. Here you can see the before and after effect. Really it is a huge difference you can see from here. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, then press the like button and share it with all your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, PNG, color lookup for free. Well, thank you for watching. Bye bye till the next video.